Woo! Today is a spectacular, marvelous, splendid, great, amazing day to make some money. Now, as you guys know, I'm a hustler, so I pretty much try every way to make money online. Trading stocks, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, Instagram, YouTube, you name it, I tried it. But word on the street is, they got some apps on your iPhone that you can use to make money. So that's exactly what I'm gonna be trying out in this video. I'm gonna be spending 4 hours of my life using money making apps. Is this a real thing? Can you actually make a full-time income or a side income from apps on your iPhone? Well, let's find out. Sit back, relax, get your snacks. Also hit the like button because this is gonna be good. So before we get started, of course, I gotta do some scientific research to discover what are the best apps to make money with. And I came across these 4 apps consistently. 1, Sweatcoin. 2, Google Opinion Rewards. 3, Make Money. And then the last one is Swagbucks. Drill. What you got first for us? So first things first, we're gonna be trying out an app called Sweatcoin. Now, so they say Sweatcoin is an app that pays you to walk, just walking around, So listen, we're gonna go on a road trip and we're gonna try out Sweatcoin for an hour. Now I got 4 different apps, so each app I'm gonna be trying out for a whole hour on, and at the end I'm gonna see which one is the best, which one I made the most money with, and if it's even worth it. So let's go on this trip. Yo. So listen, it's currently 1:30. I'm out in nature, as you guys can see. You feel me? It's hot. Let me tell you right now, it's hot. So listen, I need y'all to drop a like on this video right now because I'm out here. It's hot as hell out here, and I'm out here making this video. But I'm gonna actually show you guys my Sweatcoin app. As you guys can see, it's at 13 cents. So we got 4 hours on the clock starting right now. The 13 cents was just from like me going to my car and stuff like that. So we're gonna see after an hour how much I actually make. Hey, stay tuned, man. It's hot as hell, though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm in Richmond, Virginia. That's my city. But yeah, we're gonna see. Woo! Listen, when I tell you it's hot, it is hot, man. I wish I would have brought someone with me so I could have someone to talk to. But hey, listen, if any baddies live in RVA, Richmond, Virginia, let me know. You know what I'm saying? We can go on nature walks. You see it, make some money using Sweatcoin. Let me see how much I'm at right now. It's only been about 10 minutes or so, 15 minutes. Let's see, we still at 13 cents. But the stuffs are going up as we speak. So I guess after I stop for a while, it'll update. Yeah, so far so good, I'm actually coming up with new ideas as well. Like, I actually like going for walks because I get a bunch of new ideas for videos and everything like that, man. So like, if you ever struggling with ideas, get out the house, man, go for a walk, and I'm telling you, you'll have a bunch of new ideas just coming to you. I don't know what it is. It's just the nature effect, Look at the youngest out there playing baseball. Hey, look at this one. Johnny, what you doing, Johnny? Hey, he that player, when the coach not looking, he ain't doing nothing. He one of them. Where Phil at? Look at Phil over there. Phil another one. He don't care. When the coach not looking, he not doing nothing. Look at Evan, Josh, look at the youngest out there. He struck him out, coach. He struck him out. Ah, man. So after an hour walking with Sweatcoin, I earned a total of $4.59. Yo, check me out. Before anyone says, Drill, you did not make that much with Sweatcoin. Listen, I did some more research after this video was made, and it turns out that 20 Sweatcoins equals $1 US. And I only made about 5 Sweatcoins, so in reality, I only made about 25 cents. So that was my mistake, but let's get back to the video. Now, the only bad thing about this app is that it's capped out at $5 a day. So you can only earn $5 a day. But even then, that's not really that bad because if you take 5 times 7 for a whole week, that's $35 a week just from walking. But another thing about it is that you have to spend your money on the app. So like, you can't just cash out through PayPal. Like, you gotta spend it on the app, but they got a bunch of different things that you can spend your money on. So the first hour is officially complete. Sweatcoin is done. The next one is called Google Points. But your boy's hungry after that long walk. So I'm gonna go get something to eat and then I'm gonna hit you guys up at the next destination. Yo, so I'm at the second location and let me show you guys something, man. This is proof how hot it is out here. I'm gonna show you guys. Like, yo, I can't even use my phone. My phone is too hot. So I can't even do the surveys. So check me out. I'm about to just go to the crib and we're gonna finish the video off there.
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
Oh shit. Alright, so I'm officially back at the crib. I tried to be spontaneous, go film some content outside today and everything. It's supposed to be a good day, but my phone overheated and some more stuff. So I'm staying my black ass right in this house the rest of this video, man. But on to the next app. So the next app is called Google Opinion Rewards. Now, when I was doing my research, I seen like this was the #1 survey app that they had. So let me actually show you guys it real quick. As you see right here, I already got 10 cents because I did a little pre-survey that they did and they gave me 10 cents. But you also see that it says no surveys available right now. So I'm gonna just have to wait it out and see over the next hour if I get a survey. And if not, it is what it is. It is what it is. And it's 4:08 right now, as you can see. So 1 hour on the clock starts right now. So I waited some more and some more, and then finally I had enough. Alright, so Google Points is not the moves right now. They're not giving me any surveys, so I took it upon myself to download another app that wasn't on this list, and it's called Survey Junkie. So we're gonna take a couple surveys on this one and we're gonna see how it goes. Yay, sir. I earned my first 50 points already doing Survey Junkie. Already is looking better than the Google Points, because Google Points, they ain't give me no surveys and I spent about 30 minutes waiting for them. And just hopping on here, I took my first survey, already got 50 points. So let's continue and let's see, we're gonna take another one. Let's actually go for, so they got 40, 25, 50, 70, 40. Let's see, 35, 8 minutes. Let's see, let's go for 20 minutes for 80 points. Nah, I don't want to do that. Let's do, this one seems legit. 30 points for 3 minutes. Let's do that one. That seems like the best option. Just looking through these. Yeah, 30 points for 3 minutes. Let's take that one. Take survey. Let's see what this one's talking about. Man, Survey Junkie's starting to BS me now. Cause look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. They had me answer a bunch of questions and then they hit me with this. Like, they said I ain't qualified for the survey. Like, what? Like, what you mean? What you mean I ain't qualified, Survey Junkie? Y'all asked me a bunch of questions already. I thought that was the survey. But anyways, it's 5:11 right now, as you guys can see. Well, 5:12 now. So we're gonna move on to the next app, which is called Make Money. Now this app pays you to play games, share things to Facebook. There's multiple different things you could do to make money on the app. So hopefully, man, this turns things around for me, because you've seen the last 3 apps, except the first one. The first one was alright, but the last 2 been doing me dirty. But enough talking, let me go play these games on this app and get some money. Alright, so it's been about an hour. It's 6:03 p.m. right now, and I ended off with a total of 2,612 points for the day. Now, most of the time was spent playing games, so if you like playing games and stuff, this app is for you. And the good thing about this app compared to the other ones is that they do have PayPal, right? So if you get the 5,000 credits, you get $5, 10,000, you get $10, 20,000, $20, and then 50,000 credits, you get $50 on PayPal. And y'all seen I got about halfway there within an hour. So if I gave it 2 hours, I probably would have got to $5. But then again, it's 2 hours for $5. That's like $2.50 an hour. So you can make your own decision on that one. But last but not least, we're gonna end it off using Swagbucks. Now Swagbucks is another survey app. So we're gonna do this for an hour and see how much we can make. Stay tuned.
1 hour later.
4 hours of hell is complete, man. Listen, I think I lost a couple brain cells doing these 4 hours of surveys. It's been a long day. Like, I came into this video excited. I know y'all seen the intro. I was excited for this video. Man, like, I know you probably wondering, like, Drell, how much did you make from Swagbucks? Now, do I even have to answer that question? You already know the answer. I didn't make any money from Swagbucks either. Now, my final thoughts on these making money apps and everything like that. Should you try this at home?
Hell to the no, to the no, no, no. Hell no, no, to the no, no. Hell to the no, no, to the no, no.